Ang sublimation machine ng DT Dumaguete ay nagamit lang po ito ng 5 araw na may 187 total meters. Printer head, capping, head clean, third clean po nasa ng wiper, third clean nozzle test, ang tank, tama lang po, ground wire, AVR, waste tank, nilinis lang po ito ng Monday. Ito naman po yung stock namin, yung wala yung sayan, at saka yung sablirol, consumable monitoring, sayan, magenta, yellow, black, sabli paper, delay output record, daily checklist, at ang ICC profile. Yan lang po.